Alright, so I picked this Otterbox up on eBay for $8 after Amazon wanted to not send the correct item twice. So I returned that $38 one and picked one up on eBay for, like I said, $8. So we're going to unbox and see if it's the real deal or not. Alright, so let's see what we get. Alright, the packaging is a little rough, but it is indeed in there. This box isn't even for the iPhone case inside it. You can see here, you can make out the first part of the word Galaxy down there, but whatever. It's even got a design for Samsung slip in there. But let's see. Definitely used. Got a little chip down there. So not exactly sure what this previous case went through in its life, but it was listed as seller refurbished. But that is what you get on eBay for $8. I mean, it's not bad. I wish they would have just said it was used, but at least it came with the clip. That's what I was looking for. So there we go. $8 Otterbox on eBay. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.